जय ओम विष्णुपाद जगतगुरु श्री भक्ति सुंदर गोविंद देव गोसाई महाराज की जय।
जय
अपने विष्णुपाद जगतगुरु श्री भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोसाई महाराज की जय।
जय
ओम विष्णुपाद श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की जय।
जय
पाल गुरु बंधु की जय। नमः हरिदास
जय
वीरेंद्र देवी तुलसी देवी श्री भक्ति देवी की जय। श्री श्याम राधा गोवर्धन की जय।
जय
श्री मायापुर धाम श्री नवद्वीप धाम श्री वृंदावन धाम श्री मथुरा की जय।
जय
श्री धाम की जय। श्री
जय जय
all the aspirants devotees की जय। all the worldwide devotees
जय
all the सन्यासी प्रवचन भक्तवृंदों की जय।
जय
और कीर्तन की जय। समागम श्री गौर भक्त
जय
जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे
हरि हरि बोल। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक जगत कुशल भक्ति निर्मलाचार्य गोसाई महाराज की जय।
Okay, I'm very happy to see you all after 1 week. Last week I was very busy for the festival of Nityananda Prabhu's 70th day at the Chakra Dham. So many crowded. This too much crowded after Purnima is crowded coming. This after continuous cessation, this kind of crowded coming. Even government have to stop all the cars in that area because too many crowded. So many devotees came and so many devotees also are staying in our temple. It is over flooded over. It is too many people staying for 4 or 5 days from the Bengal also outside Jharkhand, and there are so many devotees joined to this Nitya Holy Appearance place, Holy Appearance Day. And I came yesterday evening in Damdam Park, and today morning I went to one police preaching program in Boshirat. And I came back like 4 o'clock. Morning I went and 4 o'clock came back from the preaching, and again tomorrow I have to go another place for preaching. But I am very happy to see you all and all the devotees. All the devotees join Kirtan program Prasadam. It is so many thousands of devotees. It is not few thousand, so many thousands of devotees joined the Nityananda's Appearance Day. It is over flooded people like this. But this is the only mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, mercy of Gurudev. Because we did also parikrama. So many people joined as parikrama. That is, all the devotees, not outside people, the devotees joined the parikrama, and big parikrama happened. More than Gaur Purnima parikrama that happened to this Yakuchakra parikrama. But I am very sad because many foreign devotees could not join this parikrama, and appearance day, but they did their festival in their house. I saw some picture from the various country. I saw they make some festival, even a small festival. They make their own house, own temple in that village, in that country. That is their happiness. And I was very tired, and today also little tired. But every Sunday I am meeting with you, that I do not want to miss that that holy meeting with you through Zoom. That I do not want to miss that. But that this evening I did not keep any program. For that, but Nityananda Prabhu's mercy, the bestow His mercy all over the world. First, our Param Gurudev Srila Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj recognize S.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada as Shaktavesh avatar of Sriman Nityananda Prabhu. He gave this title to S.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. He is the Shaktavesh avatar of Nityananda Prabhu. But that even Sri Sridhar Maharaj, after bhajan finished, his alone bhajan in Vrindavan, in Nandagram. He was in Nandagram, upon Sarovar. He got some message from Prabhupada and came to Navadvip, Kolodvip and open on center Chaitanya Saraswati Math. And so many God brothers and so many followers want to receive initiation from Sridhar Maharaj. But Sridhar Maharaj first went to Ekachakra for taking permission from Sriman Nityananda Prabhu. First he will give initiation or not. And after that, he got that permission that Nityananda Prabhu, he told, he asking mercy from Nityananda Prabhu. He asked mercy from Nityananda Prabhu, but Nityananda Prabhu telling, you got so much mercy from Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. First you distribute that mercy. Then Srila Sridhar Maharaj came to the temple back and start to give initiation. And start to give sannyas also. In this way, that we can understand that is how much glorification Sriman Nityananda Prabhu. And I heard from Gurudev, Srila Sridhar Maharaj, every his temple condition is very poor. But that time, Shakicharan Bhakti Vijay, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati disciple, his god brother, Srila Sridhar Maharaj's god brother, he is giving 10 rupees per month expenditure of Chaitanya Saraswati Math. And from there he is keeping some money, and every festival in the appearance of Sriman Nityananda Prabhu he is sending 5 rupees. Every year 5 rupees he is sending by through money order through post office. That I heard from Gurudev. In 2004, first time I went to Ekachakra. Before Gurudev also, before foreign tour, he went on village reaching near Ekachakra. And in the meantime, he went to visit Nityananda Prabhu's appearance place. and pay obeisance there. It's 1989 or 90. 1990. Gurudev started tour in 1992. And 1990 he went to Ekachakra. 2004 I also went with some foreign devotees in Ekachakra. And that time I decided to make one branch in Ekachakra of Chaitanya Saraswati Math, but that time Gurudev was not so much agree. But when Gurudev went to his last world to 2007 in America, he was very sick. And from there, through phone call, he called me. You can try on buy on land in Nityananda Prabhu's place and start the mission. And I buy that land 2008 of January 2008. And that year is packet land. With the pandal program, we made the festival starting that year, and Gurudev saw with video and live program, and Gurudev was very happy, and Gurudev was very eager to come to Ekachakra. But due to his health condition, he could not come, but he saw that is building. He told the first making the temple, because before the making the temple, you have to first making the guest house of the devotees. His name will be the Harai Pandit Sriti Kunjo. Harai Pandit Padmavati Sriti Kunjo. With the nitro content. Deep blood, Cape Mountain, deep blood. My less. And in this way, the Chaitanya Saraswati Math happened there. And after Gurudev's left from this world, and then Chaitanya Saraswati Temple, Sri Sri Gaur Nityananda Ji, Sri Sri Guru Nityananda Ji means Gaur Nityananda, all deities, very beautiful deities and very big deities happened. Everybody knows that, we saw that. And because Gurudev gave that measurement, it's not my measurement, it's Gurudev actual measurement of Gauranga and Nityananda, he gave that measurement of deities. And making these deities, Gurudev stood in him, he can make. This all is the Gurudev's view. Everything is coming from Gurudev's very beautiful deities. All of the Acharya went there, various Gauriya Math, even ISKCON, and they saw, they are impressed, their darshan of Gaura Nityananda. And they are impressed very much, thus seeing the Gaura Nityananda Ji. In this way happens in Chaitanya Saraswati Math. But Nityananda's glorification is Sri Siddhar Maharaj told Nityananda Dadasha come, and Vrindavan Das Thakur composed Chaitanya Bhagavat, and he make so much glorification of Nityananda Prabhu. And Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also expressed, and Advaita Prabhu also, Stuti means he also glorification of Nityananda Prabhu. Even Sriman Mahaprabhu is glorified Nityananda Prabhu, you know everything. That is very nice what they told about Nityananda Prabhu. Mahaprabhu himself told, if you are worshipping Nityananda means you are worshipping me. And if worshipping Nityananda Prabhu, means I am very happy more than everything. And Nityananda Prabhu is also telling, you can buy me if you are worshipping Gauranga. You can buy me if you are worshipping Gauranga. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur, very nicely composed Chaitanya Bhagavat about Nityananda Prabhu's glorification. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he told, by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, I got Vrindavan. I got Rup Raghunath, Jiva Goswami, everything. I got Rup Sanatan, Jiva Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, every great Vaishnava I got through the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami was living in Jamodpur, Bahuran. It is little distance from Navadvip. After Katwa, Mahabur Sharna's place, after 2 stations. His birthplace was there. And on time his brother arranged some kirtan there. And that time he was, for puja, he is keeping on Brahmin is Gunanabo Misro. And Gunanabo Misro, and in the meantime that the servitor of Nityananda Prabhu Ramdas Miniketan came, and Gunanabo Misro not giving respect. Everybody gave respect but except him. And Ramdas Miniketan was not happy for that. And he told something to Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Krishnadas. Your brother what doing? It is like Ardhakukruti. Means he is worshipping Gauranga but not worshipping Nityananda. For that, it is not good for him. And Krishnadas, some chastising his brother, some fighting with brother, some debate with brother. What you are doing? You are doing wrong. You are doing arranging some kirtan and that place not respecting Nityananda Prabhu. It is not good. It is pashando, it is bondo, it is all the bogas, what you are doing. Because you are obeying Nityananda, you are obeying Gauranga but not Nityananda. It is not good for your life. In the that night, Nityananda came to him in dream. Uto to Krishnadas, Chole Shubrindavan na thakiyo Jamodpur, not to stay in Jamodpur with your brother, it is bad associate. You have to come Vrindavan. And that time, Krishnadas Kaviraj, morning time he left his birthplace and in the old days he went to Vrindavan. And from there he composed Chaitanya Charitamrita. You know that he always writing, all version is Chaitanya Charitamrita, Rupa Raghunath Padajaras, Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishnadas. He is showing that verse. So many first times have, even a Brahmin came to the Mahaprabhu and he is criticizing Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu is stopping him. And he is telling to him, even that Nityananda Prabhu taking on Muslim woman and he is drinking alcohol, even Brahma is worshipping him. Even Brahma is worshipping him. Everything I am telling you about Nityananda, you can tell for the Navadvip everybody. After that, Mahaprabhu, by the advice of Mahaprabhu, Nityananda will accept. Because Sarnava is before his Shakti. It's not like mundane married life, like Jannava and Vasudha. This is Haridas Pandit's brother, Suridas Sarkar, is Kalna. He accepts Suridas Sarkar's two daughters. His Shakti was before that, Jannava and Vasudha. And after Jannava, after Nityananda's disappearance, means the bodily wire conic, nobody knows it. But he finishing Lila, Jannava his line continuing. Jannavadeva is continuing his line, Nityananda's line. And Vasudha's son was Birichandra Prabhu. After Jannava went to Vrindavan, and Vasudha's son Birichandra Prabhu, and holding his line. And Vasudha's son Birichandra Prabhu also take initiation from Jannava. Jannava also accepted him disciple and accepted disciple. In this way, this line continue, and that village name is Birichandapur. We are telling Akochakra Dham, but in their officially their name is Birichandapur. In this way, so many things happen. Is Nityananda Prabhu's. We went in the, always we are going to Navadvitam Parikrama, and we see that time also. First time we do Nityananda Prabhu is Nandana Acharya Bhavan. It's now Srila Goswami Maharaj's temple. And that place also, Mahaprabhu told everybody, you have searched. Some big personality came to Mayapur. You have to find out. Nobody find him. It is very Guru Nityananda. Nobody found him. Nobody found him. After that, Mahaprabhu came and he understood. Mahaprabhu knows him. Mahaprabhu is Yakide Duirup. It is not different. Mahaprabhu and Nityananda is not different. One is Asra Vigraha, one is Vishaya Vigraha. What is Lila Pushtakara Janda for his finishing his pastimes, for that they came to one is Gauranga, one is Nityananda. That is some Lila is happened there is Mayapur also. And Nityananda who always living in Srivas Pandit house when Mayapur coming. And he is telling Srivas Pandit wife Malini's mother, and she is very old lady, but when telling mother, and that time, that old lady's milk is coming from her breast. Thomas. One time, some pot, Srivas Pandit's wife Malini was cleaning some paraphernalia pot, and on Kuro take the pot. And Malini was crying, and Nityananda would not to cry. I am telling the Kuro, and he will give back. Kuro will give back the pot. And this happens, Lila, first times. Sometimes Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Prabhu is fighting. Advaita Prabhu's house. And Nityananda Prabhu throwing the prasadam to face of Advaita Prabhu. Then Nityananda Prabhu asking, give more, and he is eating everything. And Advaita Prabhu telling, I am very poor Brahmana, you are too much eating. And you are too much eating, how I give to you? You are eating too much. And Nityananda Prabhu is telling you, throwing, and he told, you inviting me and you are not feeding me. You are giving half of a stomach to me. In this way, fighting. On time, Nityananda Prabhu is like Avadut. Avadut means, Abu means who is the very fallen soul. Adhut means cleaning. Who is cleaning the fallen soul? Who is giving mercy to the fallen soul? That is means Avadut. That is means Avadut. That is Avadut. And he is actually সংসারে পার হইয়া ভক্তির সাগরে যে ডুবিবে সেই ভজে নিতাই চান, সেই ভজুক নিতাই চান। উত্তম অধম না করে মহাপ্রভু ক্লারিফাই হু ইজ দ্য proper following the rules and regulation, who is doing this and this. Mahaprabhu too much clarification. But Nityananda will not clarify. Not any student. He told who coming first paying obeisance and he taking his lap, money, he giving hugging to him. He is like this kind of personality, he is hugging. And Nityananda will accept him, Mahaprabhu cannot do that, and Mahaprabhu cannot avoid that. It's Nityananda will accept him, Mahaprabhu, what can I do? Mahaprabhu telling, what can I do? Nityananda will accept him. Mahaprabhu cannot. In this way, because cannot give objection, because for that the Lakshman is Tretajuk. Tretajuk Lakshman is Tretajuk, he was the younger, Rama was the elder. But sometimes Rama is following too much rules and regulation. Means he went to the forest country, he not objection for his other decision. He did not objection. And Lakshman is tolerated. Because Lakshman cannot give objection, cannot cut his brothers, elder brothers. The elder brothers want to go forest, and Sita Devi also did. Ram did not ask Sita Devi, you can go. Sita Devi is agreed to go for serving him. And Lakshman also want to go and serve him because he is going to forest. Because actually Koi want to, Ramchandra will go to the forest. But Ramchandra taking to Lakshman, Ram not taking. They are actually willingly they went Lakshman and Sita. But sometimes Ramchandra Samadhistika Marjada Purushottam, and Ramchandra for his pillaging to his kingdom all the people. And Ramchandra putting Sita in the fire. Lakshman cannot tolerate it. Ramchandra sending to the forest to the Sita. And Lakshman cannot protest because he is younger. But in this age of Tagore and age of Kali, for that Lakshman told, I want to be a elder brother. And that time, even sometimes Krishna is making naughty things. And Baladev is just like Baladev giving salab also. Baladev giving salab also to Lord Krishna. Because he is elder. He can chastise him, he can control him. For that Nityananda also sometimes Mahaprabhu doing some activity, but Nityananda is always. One time in the Sati Mata's house, there is a Vishnu Priya. And Nityananda coming in Sati Mata's house like naked. Like naked he came. And then Sati Mata and Vishnu Priya is hiding, going to the room inside. And Mahaprabhu is putting his cloth. This Nityananda came in like inside, baby. He came like baby, like no cloth. Understand? In this doing something, in this Leela happening sometimes, the Digambar came. In this so many pastimes. And Raghunath Das Goswami, you know the Shivananda Sen, you know about this. Shivananda Sen, and he going to Puri and he went to Puri, and that time Nityananda very hungry. And Shivananda is behind, so much behind. Nityananda cannot tolerate. And Nityananda cuts to Shivananda's son, and his wife heard that. The wife was crying, for two sons will die, Shivananda's. And he was crying. She was crying, his wife. And Shivananda came to him and asked him forgiveness, pay obeisance, full obeisance. And Nityananda would kick him. He putting his legs on his head. Like this. He kicked him. That is the mercy. And Shivananda was jumping and laughing and very, very happy. But his nephew, that's Srikanta, is angry and went to Mahaprabhu for complaint, but he could not do that. In this way, so many past times. One time, Mahaprabhu testing Srivas. Srivas, you giving shelter to Nityananda your house. You do not know where his house, who is he, you do not know. Some problem can come and what you will do. And Nityananda, Srivas pointed to, oh Prabhu, you are taking exam from me. how much I love, how much I have affection for Nityananda Prabhu. You want to see that? That is, Mahaprabhu was very happy with that. Jagai Madai also, yesterday you know that. Mahaprabhu reject Madai, but Nityananda Prabhu accept him. Mahaprabhu reject, I will not give excuse to, I will not give any satisfaction, any kind of solution for Madai. Because he beat my friend Nityananda. For that, Nityananda Prabhu is crying to Mahaprabhu, please, you came, you are the Patita Pavan, you are coming for the fallen soul, to rescue the fallen soul. But if you not rescue, who will do that? And Nityananda accept him. And Nityananda take him, and he begging to Mahaprabhu. Nityananda begging to Mahaprabhu for Madai. For Madai. In this kind of mercy, Nityananda Prabhu. It is Guru Tattva. Asraya, sometimes Lord cannot tolerate, but Vaishnava can, Guru can accept him for everybody. In this way, so many pastimes have Nityananda Prabhu. And Raghunath Goswami sister, you know that, because he cannot overcome from the Maya, Raghunath Goswami. But Sriradhati Mahotsav in Panihati, and it is possible to overcome. And he makes a question of Seva by the order of Nityananda Prabhu, and Nityananda Prabhu putting his leg on his head to Raghunath Goswami. In this way he gave mercy. In this way he gave mercy to on time in the Akachakra's history, first times. On time, so many dacoits came. 3, 4, 5 times dacoits want to attack Nityananda Prabhu's house. And that on time the dacoits is ready to attack Nityananda Prabhu's house. And so many insects, so many things is coming, like some dust coming in his eyes. They cannot go. Second days, they want to go, and they are seeing all the road is flooded. Like what? That cannot go. Third day, seeing that so many military, so many policemen is security. He cannot enter to the dacoits cannot enter to his house. And fourth day came in, and dacoits became blind. After that, he asking forgive his offense. I came for stolen, came for dacoits, and I asking for mercy from you. And Nityananda was okay. I can forgive your offense, but you want to serve here? He told, I want to serve. What service he gave? And so many dacoits in this area, you have to purify them. You have to take your line, proper line. That is your service. That gave Nityananda that service. In this on time, in the near our temple, on Nityananda's fathers have land, and so many laborers is working in the farming land, working in the field. And Nityananda's mother Padmavati sending his son, is 12 years, 11 years old, 1 bucket of rice. And he taking that rice, on the way he was hungry. And Nityananda was taking all the rice. 12 people rice he eat alone. And all that labor came to complain to his mother. Oh, today you not send food. We are cannot work. And he is surprised. I sent food for you through Nityananda, through Nitai. And then he asking Nityananda, what happened? I send you rice. And he told mother, I was very hungry, I ate that. In this way, so many pastimes in Yakachakra happen. So many childhood. On Sannyasi came to Padmavati, and he asking, he begging, Sannyasi will not go back without anything. And Sannyasi asking his son, Prabir came, Prabir today. Huh? Today Prabhu in the tomb. Prabhu came here today, morning Sudevi. Can ask Sudevi. Prabhu came today. Dandavad Srila Ashram Maharaj.
Dandavad Srila Acharya Maharaj, Dandavad at your feet. Happy to see you. Where are you now, Maharaj?
How are you, Maharaj?
I'm doing fine, Maharaj.
He is in Kolkata, Maharaj.
On Calcutta, back in Kolkata. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Pranesh.
কবির, আজকে তোমার বাবা এসেছিল এখানে? ও ও আজকে যাওয়ার কথা ছিল, আজকে আসার কথা ছিল না এখানে? আচ্ছা। Okay, Dandavad Srila Ashram Maharaj, how are you?
Fine, Maharaj, fine. I was asking you if you were there or where you were right now. And Praneshwari just told me you were.
Damdam Park. Actually, I was in Akochakra yesterday evening came, and today also I went to one program. Today also I went to one program and came back 4 o'clock.
Nearby?
Huh?
In a nearby place? The program was
Not
in a nearby
near.
place?
Or near 2-3 hours journey. 2 hours, more than 2 hours journey. 2
That's
hours,
a long
2
way.
hours.
That's far away.
By 60-70 kilometers.
Which side? What name?
Bosirhat.
South? North?
It is the east,
East?
not north, east side. From Damdam to east. Direct Bosirhat. Near Bangladesh border. From their border 6 kilometers.
The festival at
Any other
Vikachakra look very,
Yes.
very attempted. I mean, very, how do you say? Very crowd.
Yes, Maharaj. Too many crowded.
So many devotees there.
And many days. Actually,
How many days?
festival happened finally, big festival 4 days, was starting coming from on day before, from Dashami to starting. Ekadashi, Dadashi, Triyodashi, Chaturdashi, 4 days is festival. 4 days festival, and people start to come on day before. Because it is very difficult to maintain so many people. It is Nityananda Trayodashi day, 1000 kilo rice cook. From starting to 12 o'clock until 6 o'clock happening. And night time also, our people. So many devotees are staying there.
So many villagers came for that Nityananda's Mahaprasad.
Yes, so many outside. Outside, and our devotees also came. Who is the disciple of Gurudev and another devotee, and so many actually devotees came. So many area. Hooghly, so other districts, so many places. From West Bengal, so many places. Even Siliguri people came. 500, 600 from Jharkhand people came. So many devotees joined.
And how many kgs, rice kgs you distribute?
Total is 2,500 like this. 2,500 kilo rice. Total festival, but Nityananda day was 1,000. Yesterday I am coming, some devotees also there. Like 200 devotees still was there, and few of them today left, and after lunch yesterday also they left. Yesterday I morning left from there, and there are 200 devotees also there. And our devotees, their train ticket, and this year they have to buy the train ticket, separate ticket, reservation necessary. But local train not so much.
You told us there is a new Goshala there, huh? In Ekta Chakra.
Yes, now cows are very happy, and staying is more comfortable, because there is before is a little tight for them, because it is too many cows now.
Maharaj, and in which part of the temple you established that new Goshala?
That is that new last before I buy that land in the guest house in the south part. It's Pandaptala site.
Towards that place where the Pandavas killed the demon.
Yes, that site.
Okay.
There are now, you cannot understand, there are so many houses they are buying now. People are starting to live there nearby. Before the vacant land, so many, but now slowly they are covering every land. So many houses made, so many people living. Now before we are our own building, now so many building happening in that area. So many people want to stay there near our temple.
Even during the regular days when there is no festival, so many people comes to the temple.
Yes,
and
so
over
many
there
people
we
coming,
get-
yes, so many people visiting, yes. That is now becoming tourist place. People went to Tarapit everywhere, they are coming and pay obeisance, becoming so many crowded. and 20 Russian ladies staying in our temple. They came from ISKCON.
From Russia.
They are in Mayapur. They are living in Mayapur and they came to our temple, and actually 2 months before, I did not think that so many people will come, and they booked our room, 5 rooms. It is very difficult to give them room because our people is too much crowded. Because on Nat Mandir room, one room, 30 people, 35 people on room. But there are booked for me is 5 rooms, 5 rooms. 6 rooms books, but I gave 5 rooms first one day. And next day gave 6. They left
Yes,
yesterday.
Maharaj. No matter how many rooms one can build, those festivals are always insufficient to accommodate all the pilgrims.
Yes. It's very difficult, Maharaj. Too many
Srila
people.
Govinda Maharaj must be very happy.
Yes, so many people came. You cannot understand how many people came.
Well, that let us think that the Gaur Purnima will be also very crowded, very attended.
Any other question from anybody?
Jai Nitai Gauranga Maharaj. I want to ask you something first before I start with a question from Russia. During that day, Nityananda Trayodashi, you were talking to the people. It was so crowded, and they were laughing all the time. You made them very happy. You were telling them a lot of stories and pastimes, I believe, just like the one you told about Lord Nityananda being naked. But they were laughing all the time. Can you please tell us a little bit more of those pastimes that you shared in Bangla? We followed, but I couldn't understand anything. I only understood Bushta Barsha, nothing else. I don't speak Bangla, so I couldn't follow. You had the people so happy. They were laughing and laughing with you. You were talking constantly, and they were delighted. Can you tell us more of those pastimes that you told them?
Yes, some story told. Actually, that is if you read Nityananda Mahimamrita, that is very nice song. Lochon Das Thakur, Kanuram Das Thakur, Vrindavan Das Thakur, and so many pastimes happen. So many pastimes have there. So many pastimes happen in Nityananda Prabhu's. How much mercy Nityananda Prabhu giving in this Gaura Mandal, Gaurdesh, and after Mahaprabhu taking sannyas, and he told Nityananda Prabhu, you preaching about Krishna consciousness, but Nityananda Prabhu liked to preach about Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Kaho Gauranga, Laho Gauranga, Kaho Gaurangan Naam Re. যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সেজন হয় আমার প্রাণ রে। In this way, Nityananda Prabhu bestow his mercy, giving his kripa, giving his mercy for us, for fallen soul. For that, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Srila Guru Maharaj, Srila Gurudev, they are giving lecture about Nityananda Prabhu. We can read that is the without mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, we cannot enter to Vrindavan. That is main things. Without the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, we cannot enter to the devotional life. First, Nityananda is non-divided of Guru Tattva. Ashraya loya bhaje tare Krishna nahi tyaje. আর সব মরে অকারণ। আর শরণাগতি শ্রদ্ধা বিশ্বাস, main thing is necessary. Shraddha Vishwas, faith, the strongest faith is necessary. Proper chastity is necessary. Proper chastity not have, then you cannot understand Nityananda. Who is the Nitai? Who is Nitai? Because his vyavaharic, his behavior, his everything he cannot understand. You can understand that who has simple Sukriti. It's necessary, proper Sukriti necessary. They can understand about Nityananda. And that Chakradham is non-different of Sridham Vrindavan. Shivji Maharaj, there have Chakreshwar Shivji Maharaj. It is worshipped by Harai Pandit, Nityananda Prabhu's father. And there is a Lord Baladev Subhadra also. And this year, our parikrama went inside with loudspeaker. They did not stop this year. Is Nitai Pari, the birthplace of Nityananda Prabhu. Because now they have bad situation that Babaji, and he died by corona virus. Even Akosakra, nobody have corona, but he has coronavirus and he died through corona. For that he has bad the temple have bad experience. Further this year, every year there are too much restriction, too much things happening. And this year, no, stop our microphone, our kirtan, they do not stop. In this year, very surprise. This is London. Huh? Bogota. Where is London?
Dandavad, Gurudev, Bindavado.
You wanted to call me in festival time? What you do?
No, just to
What?
ask you whether how going on everything.
Tell me what?
আমার এখানে একজন ভক্ত আছে গুরুদেব, তাই নাম নিতে চাচ্ছে।
ঠিক আছে।
আমি
That time I did not so many receive. That time I did not receive so many phone call because it was my very busy schedule. 2 times giving class, so many people initiation and management, preaching, everything have to handling. Some devotee helping. Some devotee helping, some foreign devotee helping decoration, Kamalendu Sudevi. And so many books selling by Sajjan Maharaj and Krishna Sundari. So many books selling. So many is original source. Original source already 600 copies he take and he all finished. And big books also. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavad, Nityananda Mahimamrita. So many books sold at this festival. That is Brihat Mridanga preaching. So many books sold. Krishna Sundari was the bookshop and Sajjan Maharaj was also. When people coming and distributing the brochure and books. All the Jharkhand devotee, other devotee, they are serving prasadam and 20 people cooking whole day night and vegetable cutting continue 25 people all for 24 hours. 24 hours cutting vegetable all day night, part by part. That is the festival. Only cabbage, cauliflower and pumpkin, eggplant and beans and tomato and potato.
By your mercy, last year I was there. I know how
so many people taking prasadam. All wood finished, again bring. All vegetable finished, again 2-3 times bring. It is everything finishing. Idea was failure. Idea is failure. Krishnakant, you already raised.
Dandavad Silacharya Maharaj.
Dandavad.
Yes, yesterday at 12 o'clock in the noon.
Yes, your journey was very nice.
Maharaj, yes, by your mercy it was comfortable, but it took almost 24 hours.
You came by flight or train?
by flight from Kolkata to Delhi and from Delhi to Gujarat, and partly by train.
Okay. Good.
So,
Little health is tired, huh?
yes, Maharaj. Having fallen on cup. Yes. How are your health, Maharaj? Good.
I'm okay. I came evening time yesterday.
Okay, Maharaj.
And today morning again went to preaching. And came back Calcutta. And tomorrow morning again preaching. And after tomorrow afternoon time I'm going preaching. For 5-6 days.
Yeah, Maharaj.
Actually for preaching so many people coming. If I not preaching, people will not join Krishna consciousness. Because Prabhupada told Pranasas are Shehetu Prochar. How many days you will alive, you have to preaching. But go door to door. Corona, virus, if you see that I am asking the question, two of my disciples, they take the vaccine and they are sick. They told before you are good, but when take the vaccine, we are becoming sick. We are becoming sick. Even take the vaccine or not, you take the vaccine, another disease will come. And always you are thinking the vaccine, you cannot think about Nityananda Prabhu. Always thinking the vaccine. Understand? When vaccine will come? Not necessary to wait for vaccine, wait for the service. When service will come to me, that is necessary. We have to wait for service. কবে নিতাই চাঁদ করুণা করিবে, কবে সংসার বাসনা তুচ্ছ হবে, বিষয় সারিয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন, কবে আমি হাম হেরিব শ্রীধাম বৃন্দাবন। নিত্যানন্দ মোরে করে দয়া ছাড়াইবে মোর বিষয়ের মায়া। When Nityananda will give the mercy, when my family attachment will go far away. That is where also কবে হবে বলো সেদিনও আমার। নিতাই চাঁদ করুণা করিবে মোর সংসার বাসনা তুচ্ছ হবে। Still London, Saraswati, still London lockdown.
Dandavad Maharaj, Dandavad. Dandavad, Dandavad Srila.
Still London lockdown.
Yes, we are still on lockdown. We cannot do any gatherings either. We can just have let the people come for private prayer and like that. We cannot do Harinam Sankirtan, we cannot travel. But we are doing prasadam distribution that we can do at the moment. And we saw a very beautiful festival, Maharaj Nika Chakra, beautiful, so many people, and it was wonderful to see all the pictures. Everybody looked happy. Amazing, amazing festival. We missed it.
প্রভু তুমি বললে আজকে আসবে, প্রবীর কি হলো? প্রবীর শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
শরীর খারাপ হয়ে গেছিল একটুখানি, ওই জন্য যেতে পারি, ওই জন্য যেতে পারি না কালকে।
শরীর খারাপ হয়ে গেছে?
হ্যাঁ
কি জ্বর হয়েছে?
আর জ্বর সত্যি হয়ে গেছে।
নিত্যানন্দের ধাম থেকে এসে জ্বর হয়ে গেল? ধামে তো কিছুই হলো না।
না ওখানে কিছু হয়নি।
Any other question? Today I have some initiation in
Yes.
Colombia.
Oh, wonderful. Let me ask you from Russia. Akila Shakti Devidasi, Dandavat Maharaj. I have a weak taste to reading spiritual literature, but understand it's necessary to get some knowledge. It is fine. Is it fine if sometimes I force myself to read a little? Is it okay to push myself to read? Because I'm not very attracted to reading.
Lakshmi Kanti, what is question?
The question is that this Didi, she doesn't like reading too much. She doesn't have so much inclination to reading spiritual books. But she understands that it's necessary to have some understanding. So she wants to know if it's okay if she forces herself to read.
Of course. She has to force. Because you are following follow your mind. Mind not telling not to read. But you have to read. I am telling you, you have to read. Not to follow your mind. You have to read. You have to practice. You have to practice kirtan. Everything do this properly. Wake up morning, Mangalarati, and doing starting bhoga, everything. Real family life. Ashokti bihin, without attachment. Ashokti bihin সংসার। আসক্তি বিহীন সংসার। যথাযোগ্য বিষয় ভুঞ্জ অনাসক্ত হইয়া। When we are singing, but we are সংসারও ভজিলি গৌরাঙ্গ ভুলিলি। We are forgetting Gauranga. We are worshipping. We are too much attachment with the family. Gauranga, we are forgetting Gauranga. সংসার ভজিলি গৌরাঙ্গ ভুলিলি। You are worshipping Krishna or are you worshipping the samsar family life? Always thinking, tomorrow what will eat, what will do, like this. দেহগেহ কলত্রাদি চিন্তা অবিরত। জীবনে বৈভবে জীবন বিগতে কোথা রহিবে বৈভব। দেহগেহ কলত্রাদি চিন্তা, always thinking. More property, more wealth, more things. But after your death, what will happen? But Gurudev's service, Nityananda's Triyodashi day, one of my disciples, I told her, you are alone. You are alone, your husband died, and your two daughters married already their house. And you are living alone, what for? You have to cook, you have to offer the bhog and take prasad. Better you go to the temple, in Tarakeshwar temple, that on Didi's little finger affected, you can go there. You can go there and service. And she told, some labor works I am doing. Labor works, 200 rupees getting per day. And what will do with your money? You are alone. You have to rest in the temple. And some service can do there. You get prasadam, everything there. Everything you will get there. But she did not go. And she told her, excuse, I am working. Sometimes, not every day, sometimes. And Nityananda Triyodashi day, Gurudev told Patol Tulesi. Once means suddenly you are sitting and going to the toilet. Go for it. Onto the toilet and he left his body there. Young lady, 50 years old, understand? Young lady. But this is the rule. I told her, you have to do service. And they are too much attachment, their house. A small house, even not Thassa's house, like mud house, not some good house also. Understand? Too much attachment. Cannot leave the house. This is the fortune. How are you, Shubhashini Didi?
Dandavats Maharaj, I'm very well. Thank you, Maharaj. Good to see you.
Did you go to the Krishna's house?
Yes, Maharaj, yes. Starting now to shift things, and we haven't gone and stayed there, maybe in another 10 days' time, but slowly moving things now.
It is flat now on our own house.
It's a house, Maharaj. It's not a flat. It's a house.
Okay. Good. House is better.
Yes, Maharaj. Yeah.
House is better. Can make program, can do. In the flat, so many people around living, somebody not like Kirtan. They'll complain, they'll disturb.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes, Maharaj.
Own house. Flat is very difficult. Sometimes they can complain, have to close the door. But in Singapore also, Robindra separate house.
Yes, Maharaj.
Robindra Krishna's house also separate, that is good.
Yes, Maharaj.
Yes.
Because I went to Radheshwari's house, I went to Shiva Krishna's house, and that time so many people they do not like, we are went there, sometimes coming, so many crowded, like problem. Separate house, we can stand, dance, everything.
Yes, yeah. It's true.
Oh, Rupanagu Prabhu, you are becoming Rupanagu Das. This is Adak Sajo.
Maharaj, thank you very much. Nice, Maharaj, to see you. Great program in Ekachakra, Maharaj. Always receiving your blessings. All your activities are so great, so wonderful. Thank you for being so pure, so perfect with us, Maharaj. Your mercy is reaching. Your blessing is reaching to all of us, Maharaj. Thank you. Srila Gurudev, Srila Charyadev, you're everything for me. Thank you very much, Maharaj.
That is Radhika. Radhika from Singapore. Cannot hear. No sound.
Dandavats, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Maharaj. You're so good. You're so merciful, Maharaj. Thank you so much.
Yes, I got your message today.
Okay.
And everything will be good. We are praying for the soul of your son.
Yes, Maharaj. Yeah.
Srivas Pandit house, when Mahaprabhu doing Kirtan, that time Srivas Pandit only on son also death. only one son also died. But Srivas Pandit did not inform Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu chastising Srivas, my kirtan is not today not having good kirtan because something happened. And when he heard Srivas Pandit's son died, and he talking with that dead son, Mahaprabhu, and dead son was talking with Mahaprabhu. Then how many days we have lifetime for you? That is, I am here. You are calling me, and then I am going there. That is happened there in Srivas Pandit house.
Yes, Maharaj. Thank you, Maharaj.
And Mahaprabhu was very pleased. Then first chastising to Srivas, but in the inside heart is very pleased. Because my kirtan will be disturbed. But that Srivas Pandit not informed his son died. How much attachment with kirtan you can understand. How much attachment with Mahaprabhu.
Yeah. Yes, Maharaj. Yes, Maharaj. I understand.
Haryananda Prabhu, how are you?
Dandava, Srilacharya Dev. Happy to see you. Or here to here. Dandava, Maharaj.
Dandavad. Gracias. Amrit, Goshala man, you got on Goshala man?
Dada Gurudev, yes Gurudev, the Goshala man is here now. Now he is taking the service.
Yes. Now your duty is taking care of the rooms, cleaning, okay?
Okay, Gurudev, okay, I will do.
And sometimes supervise the Goshala. He is doing good or doing, sometimes supervise. Every day on time you go and supervising, okay?
Okay, Gurudev, okay. Okay, I will do.
And you can tell him on cow is very dangerous cow and big horns, and you see that he cannot, he can be hit by her. That is very angry cow is there. Understand? Did you tell him? Can you understand my question?
Amrit, please tell
I will tell him, okay.
Yes, otherwise.
How to do that? Dandava?
Yes, that cow is little bit angry cow. I also feeding her. Well, sometimes she is little afraid for that she want to eat. If you give affection, no problem.
Yes, that's true.
And that Goshala man will stay that new guest house, okay?
Okay, Guru, okay.
On room behind, I already told Niryo Maharaj, he can arrange on room. Behind room near Goshala. And there he will stay nearby Goshala, that is necessary, understand? He will take the charge of he will take care of the guest house also. Understand? That is necessary.
Okay, Guru. Okay, Guru.
Any other question?
Yes, Maharaj, you have a question from London. Pandita Devidas is asking. Heartfelt Heartfelt Dandavat pranams to you, Srila Acharya. We hear that Sri Nityananda Prabhu is the most merciful, but that his son, Vidachandra Prabhu, is even more merciful. How can we even begin to understand the meaning of that, the significance of that?
That is, you can understand Raghunath Das Goswami. He told Raghunath Das Goswami when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left, Swarup Damodar left, and Raghunath Das Goswami was very sad. Was very sad. And he wanted to suicide himself. And after that he met Sanatana and Rupa Goswami. And they protect his life. And so much nourishment got from them, Raghunath Goswami. After that, Raghunath Goswami told what I did not get from my Guru Varga. Guru Varga means Mahaprabhu and Swarup Damodar. More than that I got from Rup Sanatana. Here also, so many disciples of Srila Sridhar Maharaj. Some of them they are telling their mouth, they are proud, I am the disciple of Sridhar Maharaj, I am direct disciple of Srila Sridhar Maharaj. But actually, Gurudev protect them. Sridhar Maharaj, all the foreign devotees, he cannot control them, and everything he gave to the hand of our Gurudev. And even what mercy they did not get from Sridhar Maharaj, more than mercy got from our Gurudev. They have to admit that, they have to understand that. They have to understand that from that mercy they got from Gurudev. It is main things. But Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur giving so much mercy to Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And what we not get from Bhaktivinoda Thakur, we more than that get from Srila Bhaktivinoda Saraswati Thakur. But that Shivji Maharaj also told, Aham Vetti, Shukha Vetti, Vyasa Vetti, Na Vetti Va. And even Vyasdev Goswami, that is Bhagavatam, composed part. And actually Bhagavatam we got from whom? Shukadev Goswami. That mercy from Shukadev Goswami. For that Shivji Maharaj told, I know. And Shukdev knows. But Vyasdev know or not, I do not know that. Even Vyasdev knows everything. Even I know and Shukdev knows, but Vyasdev maybe knows, maybe not. That is called Aham Vetti, Shukha Vetti, Vyasa Vetti, Na Vetti Va. For that in this way, best to his mercy from his successor in this way. Understand. Best to his mercy through successor. Who is this? Amalendra Prabhu, how are you, Amalendra Prabhu?
Maharaj. My blessed nurse, I'm okay.
Your health is okay?
Okay. My nurse, everything okay.
Thank you. Yasiva. Ram Ratan Prabhu from Malaysia, how are you?
Dandavats today, I'm very fine. By your mercy, how are you?
I'm fine. You are okay?
Yes, Gurudev.
Yes, I am okay by the mercy of Gurudev. A little tired. Today I am seeing Gaurango. Gaurango from Brazil, how are you?
Dhanavasya Gurudev. Good, how are you? Thank you for saying hello to me.
Today I did not see Srila Janardhan Maharaj. Maybe he is late today. Who is this? Mexico, Onomitra. Dandavad. Sripad Puri Maharaj, how are you?
Dandavad Srila Charyadev, I'm fine. How are you?
Fine.
The festival was beautiful and I was seeing the pictures. I remember the 2011 when you inaugurate the Ekachakra. That reminded me, this is, as Srila Govinda Maharaj always says, you make the impossible things. This is in coronavirus time, in lockdown time, you make this big festival. This is a complete surprise for me.
Yes, all the mercy of the devotees, all the helping from the devotees. So many devotees helping for Ekachakra festival. Still, they cannot come in this festival, but they are helping from the far away, sending some donation. Still some donation also. I did not take out because today is Sunday. Yesterday I came evening. Kamalandu was busy with me. Now Western Union and you have to take some money because it is necessary tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow also busy whole day for preaching.
Yeah, anyhow, everything is by your grace, Gurudev. I'm completely surprised seeing the Amrit Krishna Prabhu. Now, by your mercy, he became cover boy. I'm very expert cover boy.
Some devotees helped. Very nice. For the Prasadam hall, some devotees sent. Rabindra Krishna Prabhu sent from Singapore, Mahalakshmi, by the land. Amalandu Prabhu from Russia, Ananda Krishna, Hungary. There are some devotees sending. Because obviously I do not mention always the name, because sometimes one of the sannyasi many years before Gurudev's left and he giving the temple in my hand, and that time one Venezuelan leader, some sannyasi told Venezuelan leader not to give any money to Acharya Maharaj. For that I am not telling everybody's name. I am hidingly names always. In publicly I am not telling, because some of the Zalaxi person, they will they will make some confusion, because it is like chanachur, that rumor, confusion. Chanachur, it is mukhorochok, and sometimes tasty is very nice, but not fulfilling your stomach. Understand? They want to like that, to hear and telling, some of them. For that, I do not want to tell the name, who is giving donation, who is not giving, who is giving. For that, I am not publicly telling. Understand? Because who is the less faith, they are attacking them. For that, sometimes I am not telling the names, who is giving donation, helping. Understand?
Yes, Gurudev, I know that. I know who was that, who was him. I know everything.
Not necessary name mention.
Yes, Gurudev. Yes, I know.
Not necessary want to know also. Not necessary want to know who told like this.
Yes, yes.
But I left Chaitanya Saraswati Math with empty hand, zero. And some of them told I am not serving Chaitanya Saraswati Math. Some of them devotee also. They are not helping Chaitanya Saraswati Math. But Gurudev, mercy have always with me. I can understand. Gurudev told one door will be closed, one door will be open.
Yeah,
another door will be open. That is no problem for me.
Yeah, that is why because somebody thinks Chaitanya Saraswati is a building, but the real Chaitanya Saraswati is your Gurudev. You are the real Chaitanya Saraswati.
Because some of the Ireland devotee, they are telling like that. Because I know there are washed brain by whom, but I do not any complaint. I do not want to any complaint. But I am always asking them to please forgive my offense. I am very naughty boy, very bad boy. But Gurudev, chosen me, it is not my fault. If you can see why he chosen me, but that is Gurudev's will. He can do, he is the independent, he can do everything. He can do everything. He can make, I am a pro, and he make me Guru, that is his. I am his goat. He can cut me in the tail. He can cut me in the head. And I also want to be service for the devotees. I also never want to be a guru. In this life also, because Gurudev gave me service for that, sometimes I am initiating. But I am initiating means they are giving me mercy. I am not giving my mercy, but they are giving me mercy. And I want to be their servant. They are giving me opportunity to be a disciple. But for this, I am telling them, please respect everybody. Please respect honor to everybody. Respect honor. Understand? Otherwise, how can I buy the Mayapur land? Who knows who is the near to Gurudev? Gurudev gave me money or not, they knows that better than me. Because they are living with the near to Gurudev. I am not living near to Gurudev. I am always far. Gurudev only giving mercy to me, distribute. understand. Sometimes they are telling me they can understand how they make the building big. Maybe it is the Gurudev gave me money. Yes, on way is Gurudev gave money, but through the devotees. This pandemic situation, so many devotees helping me. I did not go foreign country. I did not go to collection India also. But so many foreign devotees helped me to make this building, buy this land. So many countries. I do not want to mention one by one everybody's name, because it is not good for them also. For that, I want to serve you. I want to engage you for service. I want to engage you for service. Even 1 rupee coming to me from you, that is I want to use. I want to use on that rupee for service for the devotees, for the service for my Gurudev, service for the deity, service for the temple. Otherwise Gurudev's left, and after how many temples, Guru, how many devotees, Guru, how many temple expanded. But in this situation, I did not run away. I did not run away with this situation. So many, my life risk, everything, but I did not. I know that my life is not for me. My life is for my Gurudev, for the devotees. If I run away with my life, what is this? I never ran away. I ran away. They wanted to kill me. They wanted to, even I almost dead. Doctor told, how you alive, that is the miracle. What disease you happened? You are the Apollo hospital. That is miracle. This is 1 lakh percent. 1% be alive. That is you. That is just condition. Happen. But all of the devotees' wills, Gurudev's wills, I am still alive. I am talking, I am preaching, I am making parikrama, I am walking miles and miles. That is only the mercy of the devotees, mercy of the Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan, all the senior devotees. Here Srila Ashram Maharaj, Srila Janardhan Maharaj, all of my Guru Varga is here. They are giving so much mercy, they are giving so much support to me. For their support, I am alive. Understand? And also so many God brothers and God sisters also. They are my family. You are my family, everybody. Yes, I do not know what is my family. I never meet with them more than 30-35 years. And I never see them. Understand? And after coming to Chaitanya Saraswati Math and taking sannyas, and after they know I am in the temple, after they make the Shraddha ceremony, their funeral ceremony they are make, after death ceremony, they make my house. But still I am alive with you all. Because I am for the devotees, and you also for me, for the Gurudev service. Okay, today I am going to finish. Please forgive my offense. Next Sunday I will try to meet with you. Maybe I am preaching field, but I will make the time for you. Next Sunday, very happily. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. Jai Om Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnupad Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada ki jai. Rupanuga Guru Varga ki jai. Namacharya Hari Vidyadas Thakur ki jai. Shri Chaitanya Saraswati Math ki jai. Jai Srila Bhakti Pavan Janardhan Maharaj Srila Bhakti Kusum Ashram Maharaj ki jai. Shanta Maharaj, Muni Maharaj, Sri Maharaj ki jai. Bhakti Madhav, Bhakti Bandhav Puri Maharaj ki jai. All the assembled devotees ki jai. All the worldwide devotees ki jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki jai. সমাগত শ্রী গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ কি জয়। Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu from Ukraine, the Ekachakra from Ukraine, some devotee came from ISKCON, and from Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Moscow also some devotees came.
Great.
You try to preaching Ekachakra, Ukraine.
Yes, we will try, Gurudev. With your blessings, everything is possible. Please bless us.